Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S2 and I'll show you how to activate Google Assistant on this device. So first you should launch the Google application. And here on the right upper corner tap to this icon. Now just go to the settings. And here we will see the Google Assistant section. Now just go there and scroll down with your finger to the general options. And as can you see, here we got the Google Assistant switcher. Just to turn it on, tap once on the switcher and confirm. And as can you see, our Google Assistant is activated right now. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.